Foghlaim Gaeilge, learn Irish. Ceacht a seacht déag, lesson 17. The possessive adjective, an adjunct, shalvok. Mo means my. Do means your, singular. A means his. A also means her. Our means our. Were means your, plural. A also means their. Aspiration. Mo, do and a meaning his all aspirate the first letter of the following word. This is done by adding H to the first letter of the word and changing its sound. Aspiration examples. Couple, horse. Mo couple, my horse. Do couple, your horse. A couple, his horse. Aspiration rules for mo, do and a, meaning his. B changes to BH, which is pronounced B or W, etc. For vowels, no change, but vowel gliding occurs, with mo becoming m and do becoming t. Mo becomes m before a vowel. Manyam, my name. Menyin, my daughter. Anyam, name. Menyin, daughter. Aspiration, do becomes t before a vowel. Tai, your face. Tillion, your island. Eclipsing. Our, were, and a meaning there all eclipse the first letter of the word that follows. This is done by putting a letter in front of that word and changing its sound. Examples. Couple, horse. Our gapple, our horse. Were gapple, your horse. A gapple, their horse. Eclipsing rules for our, were, and a meaning there. B becomes MB, which is pronounced M, etc. Vowels cause you put N in front of a vowel to eclipse it. Examples. Ahar, father. Our nahar, our father. Were nahar, your father. A nahar, their father. Other examples. Bod, boat. Charahar, brother. Furin, team. Our mod, our boat. Were Yarahar, your brother. A wooden, their team. Other examples. Pashti, children. Sholu, address. Train, train. Our bashti, were cholu, a drain. No change. A meaning heard does not cause any changes to the first letter of the words as follows, but puts H in front of a vowel. For example, couple, horse. Ahar, father. A couple, her horse. A hahar, her father. Aperchi. Sentences. Baha, life. Mo vaha, my life. Kara, friend. Is tu mokara gujo. You are my friend forever. Dohin, sufficiency. E agus all do gohin. Eat and drink your fill. On my lat, tech log nua, do you like your new kite? On scoban she a ekla, does he brush his teeth? Letitia agus agasur bejar. Letitia and her boy perhaps. On Mawaharhu, are you my mother? Cur is a fóca é. Put it in your pocket. Tohula Gorum Glay, your bright blue eyes. Lidahol, please. Our Nahar Atá ar Neau, our Father who art in heaven. On Aishin were Nilion, is that your island? Shin were Skull Nua, that's your new school. Shaw Anumperon, this is their van. Is Connacht an album? Their album is a success. Ciannaigh with tickets. Buy your tickets. Say a vocal and yal. Their word is their bond. Shinjera le ceacht a seacht déag. That's the end of lesson 17. Slán tamil, bye for a while. Comalesco, excuse me. Foghlaim, come back soon.